The most fun part of my job is doing the YouTube videos. Today I get to test drive and review a 2018 Chevy Camaro 2SS 50th Anniversary Hot Wheels Indy pace car. You guys have to check out the new 2018 Chevy Camaro 2SS Indy 500 Hot Wheels 50th Edition car. It is unbelievable. It's here at the shop. We're going to go for a test drive. It's a 2SS, 455 horsepower, 455 foot-pounds of torque, automatic with paddle shifters, convertible. The car's unreal. It is a pearl orange with orange accents. Let's take a walk around real quick. So 50th anniversary, they only made 50 of these for 2018 in convertible. You'll see all the orange accents. The calipers are painted orange. We get the Hot Wheels edition logos, 50th anniversary badging. Official vehicle for the Indy pace car. Indy pace car. Decals on the door, but what's really neat is you come over here, you get the pearl orange decal on the quarter panel. You can see it right there, which is pretty neat as well. Brushed nickel wheels, 20-inch wheels, and it comes with the tinted taillights. Satin racing stripes, so it's satin black, or it's actually a satin gray, not just a black. Hot Wheels badging on the back as well, so there are decals all over the car. What I'm not too impressed with is this car has super low miles. It hasn't been used very much, and already the official vehicle decals are peeling off, which seems a little silly to even be annoyed by that, but somebody paid a lot of money to actually have the Indy pace car edition, so for that to actually peel off so quickly is kind of frustrating. Check out the front end of this car. Mean looking. Opening the hood. Now I haven't seen an 18 yet. Whoa. So nice. All right, let's check out the inside. So even before I go inside, check out the headrests. You'll see the Camaro embossed into the leather headrests. SS badging on the seats. You have orange stitching on all the leather. What's really neat is the, what do you call this? Not satin, not felt. It is suede detailing all over the car. So all over the door panel, suede here, even go to the steering wheel. Suede steering wheel, suede shift boot, suede center console. Look at the LED display, suede dash, the glove box. All right, let's get in and start this car up. Even looking at the floor mats too, it's nicely detailed. You have like multi-textured carpeting with orange stitching. This car has the push to start, so let's start it up. Oh wow. I hope you can hear that from here. Let's rev the engine a couple times. Let's hear that exhaust rev a few times. Go ahead. Everything about this car is just so sharp. You even look at the front bumper, everything's so pointy. The body kit down below, and then the lines all the way down the body. Even the wheels, everything's sharp and streamlined. It's a numbered car out of 50. This is number 21. Looking at the panels, everything's pretty easily accessible. I don't have to reach far to touch anything. Everything's there. It does have the vented seats, the heated seats, touchscreen LED display, and it even has an LED dash and then the heads-up display up top, which you can turn on and off right here. All right, let's try it out. Wow, something else I just noticed getting into it, this mirror. Check out that mirror. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all, I don't know, it's not trimmed out or anything. It's just a piece of mirror glass. Hopefully it's not too loud in the convertible and you guys can hear everything I'm saying. Put the windows up anyway. Actually, it's a pretty smooth ride. I was expecting it to be a little rough and loud, and I'm extremely comfortable in it, driving it. I mean, it feels like just a regular daily driver car. I'm sucked right into the seat comfortably, but it's not squeezing me like a race seat, but I am still in there tightly. It's so smooth at, I mean, 40 miles an hour, not that I'm going fast, but it's just an easy car to drive right now. It's a 6.2 liter V8, 455 horsepower, which I'm actually a little disappointed in it. So I'm even noticing, like right here, I was wondering why this sticker was on the windshield. It's a 2018 Indianapolis Geico Grand Prix window sticker, so that's why it's still on there. They never removed it. All right, I'm on the highway now. Let's try the paddle shifter out. Gonna knock it over into manual. It automatically put me in 6th, so we're in 2nd gear at 30. Try the paddle shifter out. Sounds so good. Oh my goodness, it hit 80 so fast. Not a ton of noise being in a convertible either. The heads-up display looks amazing. Shows me how fast I'm going. Downshifted a little bit just to hear it downshift. Oh, I hope you guys can hear how good this sounds downshifting. I'm in 3rd gear right now. Let's go down to 2nd. Oh man, that rev match downshift sounds so good. I'm at 30 miles an hour right now. Let's get on it. Wow, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh my goodness. This car is so fun, comfortable. That was a smooth 80 miles an hour in a matter of a few seconds with no problems at all. I'm doing a U-turn and I just want to spin the wheels so bad right now, but it's not my car, so I'm going to take it easy. But it's just absolutely killing me to take a slow U-turn in a car like this. All right, I'm going to pull over and put the top up right now so I can hear the noise with the top up. Putting the hard top, is it a hard top? No, obviously it's a soft top, but it's pretty neat how the hard panel pops up automatically and then closes behind the soft top. It really looks good like that, so you don't have to use any type of soft tonneau cover for it. All right, we're done. Folding top motion complete. So I put the hard top up in the windows. I actually can't figure out how to shut those rear windows though, so a little tough to figure that out. All right, what I did figure out was this heads-up display button isn't a button on and off. It actually adjusts the heads-up display up and down. Let's try this out. I'm in 1st gear on a closed course, no one around, and let's go. Traction control is awesome. Kicks right in. All right, does not let you out-rev it. It actually shifts it for you. This car is crazy fast. That was so quick. Handles pretty well. It's not very rattly at all. I was actually expecting this car to be pretty rattly, but the fit and finish is excellent on the car. The suede grip feels great through my hands. It's very responsive in steering. There's not a lot of body roll going from side to side. I'm really impressed with this car, but I should be for the price tag of it. What else I'm noticing too is just if you look right here, there's an LED light strip on the side of the door panel, which is pretty neat. I really like that. I bet that looks good at night. The other thing too is the Hot Wheels 50th anniversary badging even on the steering wheel. I did figure out the rear windows, so I guess if I push this button here, that's for your front windows, that's for your rear windows. So that's pretty simple to figure out. I was expecting like a rear window button. After reading about this car just a little bit more, I found out the color is called Orange Crush to commemorate Hot Wheels orange race car tracks, which is actually just really, really neat little fact about this car. Somebody really thought it through and added some nice detailing with that. So my question of the day is, that car, MSRP, 58 grand, you'll probably end up getting it for around 50 because it's a leftover. You can buy a Mustang GT350 Shelby for around that same price. You can get a Dodge Demon for 60 used, 70 new. You can get a used Stingray for the same price. What's your choice? What's worth it? Was that one worth it? It is a pretty rare car. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe if you like this channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Lastly, hit this bell right here. It'll give you a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see y'all later.